I have a simple project set up, and this is probably how I would do this. I would like to stitch the top row from left to right and the next row from right to left. And I also want to connect the end point of the first row to the start point of the second row. I'll look at the order join, or not the order join, but the set sew order. So you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I select the right hand repeat in the second row, right click, do an order join. Then if I select the first repeat in the top row, do an order join. Just check my sew order. It's 0 through 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7. So it'll sew left to right, right to left. Now I want to connect the end of the first row to the start point of the second row. One way that I would do this, and I'm just going to use my mouse and draw a boundary. I'll go Alt B to draw a boundary. I don't want to clip off anything over here, so I'll just draw a boundary. Draw it down past the bottom of the second row over to the right, and I want to make sure I draw this boundary so that I catch this end point. So I'll just click right there. This end point up to the top. Right click to finish the boundary. Now I'm going to simply select the last repeat in the top row and the right hand repeat in the second row. Hold down my control key, select those, right click, do a fill inside. There are other ways of doing this, but this is probably the way I would do this. I think it's rather simple, and it does work. Wait here till fill gets finished. I also tested this in CS7, and fill is a lot faster. Okay, fill has finished doing this. I'll just right click to get the unselected. Then I'm going to delete the boundary. It's selected, so I'll delete it. Now you can see there's a line from the end of the first row to the beginning of the second row. I'll show you how this stitches, and so that we don't take forever, I'm going to take and select these 3 repeats, toggle them as sewn. I will do a virtual stitch out. Click that. It's going to start with this last repeat. I'm going to increase the speed of this so we don't take all day, and just show you how it's going to progress. It's going to go right down to the beginning of the first repeat on the right of that second row. So we've seen enough of that. We can see it works. That's how I would do this.